and today I have a question that why ice is less denser than water. So my reason is that ice is less denser than water because water has less hydrogen bonds than ice. So a hydrogen bond is let me show you 1 minute. A hydrogen bond in water molecule is something like this. So water molecule contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So it is something like this. Now this oxygen is connected to one atom of hydrogen, and this oxygen atom is connected to one atom of hydrogen. So in total, one oxygen atom is connected to two atoms of hydrogen. So there is a bond created between the oxygen and hydrogen atom, and this bond is called a hydrogen bond. And this hydrogen bond is very less in water. It constantly re-break and reform because this hydrogen bond is very weak. So it re-break and reform in a water molecule, but because an ice molecule is a crystal, it has a perfect geometrical shape, and that is why it does not reform and re-break. It just remain constant and remain fixed in a hydrogen bond. Let me show you a diagram to make it clear. So here is a diagram of a water structure. And you can see that it is very closely bonded. Means the hydrogen bond is not in a constant way. The structure is not stable. The structure is not in a pattern. It's just separated here and there. But the ice structure, let me show you an ice structure. An ice structure is something like this. You can see that there is a hexagonal pattern here. It's hexagonal pattern, and a hydrogen bond is perfect. This is the hydrogen bond. And this is creating large spaces. Over here, and so it is less denser than water. So I hope it is clear that why ice is less denser than water. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.